Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the Lap App lovely family of tools. This is the Perfect Press Wool Mat. It's 100% wool, half an inch thick, which is a really nice thickness for a wool pressing mat. What I like about this in particular is that it is perfectly cut to fit the Lap App. Whether you use the wool mat on your Lap App or separately, what having it cut to size means is that it's that much easier to pack and carry with you and store with your Lap App. It's just really the perfect size for this really, truly wonderful tool. Could you put it on the other side? Yes, you could. And in fact, that might be kind of nice for those times when you are working with your Lap App on a table and you want to protect the tabletop. Hadn't thought of that till just now, but you know, having the wool underneath there is not a bad plan. If you have never used a wool pressing mat, this is a really good introduction to them. I always press on a wool mat. Always. I've got a giant one on my ironing board. I've got a couple of slightly bigger ones than this. And I am happy to have this size because it's wonderful for carrying with and it's perfect for small jobs. I can see myself using this if I'm making perfect circles where you add the damp starch and then you have to let a warm but not hot iron sit on it for a length of time to dry the starch. This is a nice size for that kind of job. It would be good for fusing small items. It's a really nice size for small pressing jobs or for those times when you can't be by your larger mat. And of course, the wool pressing mat goes with this wonderful Lap App, and I've done a whole timeout video on Lap Apps, so I don't need to tell you more about that now. You know all about these dandy tools. And now you know about the wool pressing mat. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this introduction to the wool pressing mat that goes with the Lap App. I think you're going to like it. I know I am going to love mine. Thank you for watching, and may you have many happy stitches.